Good morning, children. I hope class 6 children are watching this video, and I hope you must be keeping well. Today in this class we are going to start a new chapter, and that is simplification. And under this simplification, this is chapter number 6, and under this we are going to study use of brackets, Bodmas rule, and some examples we will see today. So let's start. Here you see simplification chapter 6. So suppose we are given a numerical expression consisting of numbers with two or more of the fundamental operations. We perform these operations strictly in the following order: division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Now here you see some examples have been given. First example we have: simplify 18 minus 6 divided by 2 into 3. Now here you see how we will solve this. See, if you are simplifying in this way, suppose if you are subtracting 18 minus 6 if you are doing, and then you are dividing it by 2, and then you are multiplying by 3, what you will get? Suppose 18 minus 6 is equal to 12, and then if you will divide by 2, so what you will get? You will get 6, and then you will get 6 into 3 is equal to 18. So in this way, if you are solving, you will not get the answer, and this is not the perfect calculation or perfect simplification. So for this, what we need to do, we need to use Bodmas rule. Before also you might have studied. So what we need to do, suppose if you have 18 minus 6, here you see, if we have 18 minus 6 and divided by 2 into 3. What we need to do, first we need to solve this rule. You remember later I will explain again, Bodmas rule. So what it is? Here V stand for vertical, or that is bar. This is later I will explain each and every thing. B for bracket, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So here you see bar we don't have. So first we have here division. Here you see first we have division. So we will start with division first. So how we will solve? Rest of the things just you note down. 18 minus 6 divided by 2. So what we need to do? First you division work you do. So here this 6 is required to be divided by 2. It means minus 6 divided by 2. So this will be 2 3 ja 6, and this will be minus 3. So we need to write over here minus 3, and then into 2 into 3. Now here you see again what we need to do? Multiplication. After division what we have? Multiplication. So multiplication we need to do. So this operation is required to be done. So minus 3 into 3 will be minus 9. So we will write 18 minus 9. And finally 18 minus 9 is equal to 9, and this is your answer. So in this way simplification is required to be done. Next example you see. We have 15 plus 24 divided by minus 3, 24 divided by 3 minus 1 into 6. Here also the same rule is required to be applied. The same thing has been done over here also. Here you see 15 plus 24 divided by 3 minus 1 into 6. So 15 plus 24 divided by 3 minus 1 into 6 has been written. Now this division work has been done before. So 24 divided by 3 is equal to 8 has been written, minus 1 into 6. Now in this step what we will do? Here it has been written also, performing division work has been done. Then in next step we will do this multiplication. So minus 1 into 6 will be minus 6. Now addition of or subtraction you can do together. So it is better this addition you do 15 plus 8, that is 23, and then you have minus 6 has been written. 23 minus 6 is equal to 17, and you have got answer. So in this way we need to solve questions. Now you see, we have use of brackets. So this is very important. We know that brackets are used to separate various parts of an expression. There are 4 kinds of brackets. First one is bar or vinculum. This bar or vinculum, this is said. Bar or vinculum. This one. Next we have round brackets, small brackets, or parenthesis, it is said. Round brackets, small bracket, or parenthesis. Next we have curly brackets or braces, it is said. And fourth one we have square brackets or big brackets. So these things we need to remember. 4 things we have got: bar, this small bracket, generally it is said bar, small brackets, curly brackets, and big brackets. So this is required to be remembered. While simplifying expressions, the terms in brackets are taken as independent units. So while simplifying, these are kept independently. The order of simplifying the brackets is, suppose if these all the things are there together in expression, then what is the sequence, how you will solve? First we will solve bar first. Means bar, if in bar some expression is there, that is required to be simplified first. Then parenthesis means small bracket. Then braces, it means curly bracket, and lastly big bracket, that is square bracket in the last. In this sequence we need to solve expressions. Here you see, just now I was talking about this. For simplifying the expressions involving brackets, we must proceed according to the letters of the word V, Bodmas. Here V, B, O, D, M, A, S stand for vinculum, brackets of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction respectively. Then we have one simplification. Just you see example 3. Simplify 16 minus, we have 11 minus, in curly bracket we have 8 divided by, parenthesis open, 17 plus 3 into 2 minus 19, parenthesis closed, curly bracket closed, and big bracket closed. So how do we read this? Just you see, 16 minus, this is what? Big bracket open. 11 minus curly bracket open. 8 divided by small bracket open. 17 plus 3 into 2 minus 19. Small bracket closed, curly bracket closed, and big bracket closed. In this way we read this. How it will be solved now? Just you see. So here you see, just now we have studied. We need to solve first. We need to start with bar, vinculum. But here bar is not there. So we will start with small bracket. So this portion is required to be solved first. And under this also, what is required to be done? Again, Bodmas is required to be solved. So Bodmas means bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So here you see what we have: addition, multiplication, and subtraction. So we need to do multiplication first. 3 into 2, 6. This is required to be solved first. Here you see, 3 into 2, 6 has been written, and rest of the thing has been written as it is. in next step you see this small bracket has been solved. So here you have got 17 plus 6 minus 19. So in next step how it has been written, this 16 has been written, then minus you have 11 minus 8 divided by here you see what has been done. 17 plus 6 is 23 and minus 19 you have got 4. And then 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. So 11 minus 2 has been written. And finally 11 minus 2 is equal to 9 and 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. So again I'll make you understand how it has been done. So we will start with first example, what it was given. From there we will start so that easily you will understand. Here you see first example we had simplify (18 minus 6 divided by 2 into 3). So how it was solved, just you see. Here what I told you, if suppose what operations have been given, minus, division and multiplication. So what is the order how we need to solve? First we should start with division, then multiplication, then addition, and then at last subtraction. This is addition and at last subtraction. In this sequence we need to solve. First we will start with division, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. So here you see we have division minus 6 divided by 2. This portion we need to solve first, this one. So how we will solve? Minus 6 divided by 2. This one we will solve. So just you divide, minus 6 we have, simply 6 you write, and by 2 you divide this. So this will be 2 3 ja 6. This you have got. So 3 you have got, and this sign you will be having minus. So this will become minus 3. So you will write 18 minus 3 into 3. Now in second step, division you have performed, means division operation of division you have done. Now we will do what? Multiplication. So here you see in multiplication what you have. This, how we will read this? This is not 3, this is minus 3. So minus 3 into 3 it is. So when you are multiplying minus 3 and 3, what you will get? You will get minus 9. When you are multiplying minus 3 and 3, you will get minus 9. So here you will write 18 minus 9. And finally 18 minus 9 is equal to 9, and this is your answer. So this was your first example. I hope you understood. Next example was what? Just you see. Next example we had 15 plus 24 divided by 3 minus 1 into 6. Again here you see what operations you have. Plus means addition, division, subtraction and multiplication. What order we should follow? We should start with division, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. So which operation we need to start? This one. 24 minus 3. This we will solve first. So in next step we will write 15 and 24 divided by 3. What we will get? We will divide 24 by 3. So 3 8 ja 24. What we have got? 8. So we will write simply plus 8. And then we have minus 1 into 6. Now here you have addition. Here you have subtraction. and here you have multiplication. So in the next step we will solve this portion, minus 1 into 6. So when you are multiplying minus 1 with 6, what you will get? Minus 6. And then you will write in next step 15 plus 8 minus 6. Now, so simple it is. 15 plus 8 is equal to 23 and minus 6. So you will get finally, if you are subtracting this, you will get 17 and this will be your answer. I hope you understood. Next example you see. In next example we had example 3. Here you see we had simplify 16 minus big bracket open 11 minus curly bracket open 8 divided by small bracket open 17 plus 3 into 2 minus 19 small bracket closed, curly bracket closed and big bracket closed. Now just you see how we will solve this. So what I have told you just now, how we should proceed, we should follow V Bodmas rule. V, B, O, D, M, A, S. So V stand for vinculum and or vinculum, or that is called bar. So bar we don't have in this question. What we have? Brackets we have. So in bracket also, what is the sequence? We should start with small bracket, curly bracket and then big bracket. So this portion just you see small bracket is required to be start with. Here you see we will start with small bracket. This one, this portion we need to start with because this is under small bracket. So here you see how we will solve. 16 minus big bracket open 11 minus curly bracket open 8 divided by this portion. If you are solving, how we will solve? Here also the same Bodmas rule will be applied. You have operations addition, multiplication and subtraction. So what we need to do first? Multiplication over here. So we will write 17 and 3 2 6 minus 19 and then you close these brackets. This has been done. Next step you see 16 minus 11 minus 8 divided by this you solve. What we will get? 17 plus 6 we will get 23 and minus 19 and then you close these brackets. And then we have rest of the thing, just you note down in the as it is. 11 minus 8 divided by, here you see 23 minus 19 is equal to 4 and then curly bracket you have. So this small bracket you have solved, so no need to write now. This is over. 16 minus 11 minus 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. Now again this has been over, so curly bracket is not required to be written. Now finally you have got 16 minus 11 minus 2 is equal to 9. So what you will get finally? 16 minus 9 is equal to 7 and this will be your answer. So in this way you need to solve question and I hope you have understood. One more question we will see. Example 5 we will see. Here in example 5 you have to simplify 5 1 by 2 of 2 by 3 minus 3 by 5 plus 1 by 2 and divided by 5 by 11. You need to solve this question. Just you see how we will solve. So again, Bodmas rule is required to be applied. So here you don't have bar, you have bracket and off. So we need to solve this bracket portion. This portion is required to be solved first. How we'll solve? Just you see. This is in mixed fraction. 5 whole 1 by 2. So it can be written as 2 5 is 10 and 1 11. 11 by 2. This we have not solved, only we have changed the form. We have not solved. We need to solve this bracket first. So in bracket we have 2 by 3 minus 3 by 5. You need to take LCM of 3 and 5. So LCM will be 3 into 5. 3 5 is 15. LCM if you will find out of 3 and 5, what you will get? 15. This 15 you need to divide by this 3. What you need to do? This 15 is required to be divided by 3. You will get what? 5. 3 5 is 15 and 5 2 is 10. Numerator is required to be multiplied. Then minus sign you have. The same thing is required to be done over here also. 15 divided by 5 you will get 3. And 3 3 is 9. 9 you have got. Plus, here you see this division you have, this you can do together. So division can be written as multiplication. And next term, how we will write? Already it was explained in previous chapter. So 5 by 11 will become 11 by 5. Reciprocal of this is required to be written. Now, off means what? Off means into. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1 and divided by 15. Plus, see, this is required to be simplified because this is multiplication. 11 into 1 is equal to 11 and 2 5 is 10. Now 11 into 1 is equal to 11. Here you see this is not required to be simplified because multiplication and addition you have. So we should perform which operation first? Multiplication. So 11 into 1 is equal to 11 and 2 into 15 is equal to 30 and plus 11 by 10 you have. Now this is what? 30 and 10 you have. Find out LCM out of this. So what you will get? You will get 30. 30 and 10 you have. So this will be 5 6 is 30, 5 2 is 10, 2 3 is 6 and 2 1 is 2. 3 2 is 6, 6 5 is 30. LCM is what? 30. And then you will get 11 plus 11. 11 plus 10 3 is 30 and 3 into 11 will be 33. So what you have got? 44 by 30. And finally you will get, if you are simplifying this, just you cancel this. 2 2 is 4, 2 2 is 4 and this will be 15. So finally you have got 1 whole 7 by 15 and this is your answer. So I hope you understood. If you have not understood, just you go through again and again and try to do practice by yourself. I hope you will be able to solve this question. And then you have one last example, example 6, that also we will see. Example 6, and this is very important. Just you watch properly and try to understand properly, so that from exercise you should be able to solve question by yourself. Here you see big bracket open, then you have 3 whole 1 by 4 divided by curly bracket open, and then you have 1 whole 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2, and then you have 2 whole 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. And here you see, here you have bar, and then you have curly bracket closed and big bracket closed. So watch properly and try to understand how it to be solved. So first we will solve. Here you can see you have brackets, and in brackets you have bar also. So we will start with bar. This portion is required to be solved first. So how we will solve, just you see. Rest of the thing as it is, just you write down. Or simply one thing you can do, if it is in mixed fraction, that can be changed into improper fraction. 4 3 ja 12 and 1 13. So this will be 13 by 4, and divided by, you have 4 1 ja 4 and 1 5 by 4, and then you have minus 1 by 2. Now this 2 2 ja 4 and 1 5 by 2 minus, this is required to be solved. So we will solve this. 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. Your LCM will be 4 and 6, just you find out. What will be your LCM? 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. So 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. 12 will be your LCM. Now here you see 4 3 ja 12, 3 1 ja 3, minus 6 2 ja 12 and 2 1 ja 2. So directly you can write 1 by 12. 3 minus 1 is equal to 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So 1 by 12 you have got. So this thing you need to do over here itself. So you will write 1 by what you will write? 3 minus 2 divided by 12. Now rest of the thing just you note down as it is. 13 by 4 divided by 5 by 4 minus 1 by 2, and here you will have 5 by 2 minus 1 by 12. This bar has been simplified. Now next step you see, 13 by 4 divided by 5 by 4 minus 1 by 2. So this portion is required to be solved. So 2 and 12 you have. So LCM will be 12. 2 6 ja 12 and 6 5 ja 30 minus 1. And then you will have 13 by 4 divided by 5 by 4 minus 1 by 2, and this will be into this. Nothing you have, it means here you need to write into, and 30 minus 1 is equal to 29 divided by 12, and this will be curly bracket over here. Now you see, here we will write 13 by 4 divided by curly bracket open 5 by 4 minus 29 divided by 12 2 ja 24. Then 13 by 4 divided by, here you see your LCM will be what? If you are finding out LCM of 4 and 24, just you need to remember, if one, suppose just you see 24 is the multiple of 4, so bigger number will be your LCM. If you want to find out LCM of 4 and 24, your LCM will be 24, but separately you find out. Now if you are dividing 24 by 4, what you will get? 6, and 6 5 ja 30 minus 29. So what you will get? 13 by 4 divided by 1 by 24. And finally 13 by 4 into 24 by 1. And this you will write this you will write 4 1 ja 4, 4 6 ja 24. So finally your answer will be 13 6 ja 78, and this will be your answer. So in this way, this type of question is required to be solved. So finally, what you have understood, you need to follow V Bodmas rule. V Bodmas rule. DMAS, Bodmas rule, while simplifying these operations. So this is required to be followed, and I hope you understood. And if you have not understood, again and again you watch this video, and from book also just you go through, try to learn. I hope you will understand, and you need to start your exercise as well. So here you have exercise 6A. So that is required to be started. So just you start this exercise. I hope you will be able to do. Otherwise we will see in next class. Until then, thank you.